So what did you want to say, Tori? I wanted to say that, Tom, I love you, Tom. Ha, lame. Holy bananas!